Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to change your Metrobank debit card PIN in 2025. With increasing cyber threats, keeping your PIN secure is more important than ever, and Metrobank has made the process quick and user-friendly. Whether you're using the mobile app or an ATM, I'll walk you through the steps step by step, so you can do this in just a few minutes. First, let's talk about the easiest way: through the Metrobank mobile app. Start by downloading or opening the app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged in with your account credentials for a seamless experience. Once you're in, head over to the Cards or Security section. It's usually right in the main menu. Next, look for the Change PIN option and select it. You'll be asked to enter your current PIN for verification, so type it in carefully to avoid any errors. Now, it's time to create your new PIN. Choose a 4 to 6 digit code that's memorable for you but not obvious to others, like avoiding birthdays or sequential numbers. After entering your new PIN, you'll need to confirm it by typing it in again. This double check helps prevent mistakes. Finally, hit the Submit or Confirm button, and you'll get a success message on your screen. You're all set. If you prefer the traditional route, you can do this at a Metrobank ATM. Simply insert your card, enter your current PIN, and select the PIN Change option from the menu. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter and confirm your new PIN. A quick tip: always change your PIN in a safe, private location, and consider enabling additional security features like biometric login in the app. This not only protects your account but also gives you peace of mind for everyday transactions. There you have it. Changing your Metrobank debit card PIN is straightforward and empowers you to stay secure. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more banking tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.